Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dhaneja and I'm a software engineer living in Japan. I will be sharing my journey as a software engineer about coding and AI. Today I want to talk about something that I have been curious for a while. Using AI to help with coding. I usually code with Java, and as you know, it comes with a lot of boilerplate. I have always thought about using AI for handling this boilerplate code for me, but honestly, I wasn't confident on using an AI agent for coding. And I was also worried about the cost. But turns out I was just forming this opinion based on what I see in social media.
Learn how to build apps with AI.
162 cloud code agents you can copy, paste, and have work.
Okay, so today, after a hectic week, I was supposed to be working on a personal project. But honestly, I felt lazy to write all the CRUD operations and the boilerplate behind it. I even thought about building my own AI agent to write this code, but later I realized it is more expensive and hectic to run this locally. So then I started researching about it with ChatGPT. My initial thought was to integrate Codex to my local IDE to support with my coding. But turns out the OpenAI Plus subscription does not allow local integration with the IDE. So after chatting some time with ChatGPT, it gave the suggestion that Codex was not my option, and instead to try GitHub Copilot. It's actually free to start, and even the paid plan is not that much expensive. I didn't expect an AI coding assistant to be this affordable. So I decided to try it and share it with you as well. Okay, now let's install GitHub Copilot with me. Okay, so I have Visual Studio Code open, and let's go to the extensions, and it should be here. I think this is it. I'm also doing real time and I have not tried this before. So AI chat with your AI pair program. Let's see. Oh, it's already enabled. When you install the extension, you will have to sign up for a GitHub Copilot account, and you will be redirected to your GitHub account. So installing is done. Chat with Copilot anywhere. Go to Copilot, start building code. Oh, this is my favorite code editor. Okay, Visual Studio Code. Install. Okay, let's create a new Java project and test GitHub Copilot. So let's go to VS Code, Control Shift P, and Java, create Java project, and then without any build tools, let's create the Java project and select the location. Input the Java project name, QR code creator. Okay, we have a project. Now we have app.java. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to make a QR code creator. So we will need a library. But I will download it now. Since we have the jar file also, and this will be used to generate the QR code, let's go to the app.jar and let's If you comment out what you want to do, it will suggest the code. So that is one way I think, but I will not use that. I'm more interested like this under I, and then I will tell the same thing. For a text URL using the Okay, let's accept this code. What is the issue here? Okay. Can't we solve this using Copilot? Fix using Copilot. After some fixing and chatting with ChatGPT, I resolved the issue. So if you're using a POM file, you need to install Maven. I really don't want to install Maven and lose my storage. Again, I downloaded the jar file which is required to run this, and I copied it to this lib folder, and then I replaced my URL as google.com, and now we can run our application. Here you can see it ran successfully, and the QR code PNG was generated, and it is over here. So you can just scan what you see in this video and you will be redirected to google.com. I think so. Still I have not tried. I think I will use GitHub Copilot in this free version, and if the limit is reached, I will sign up for the pro version as well. So today's video is about the basic flow and how to install and use it in a Java application. So I think so far so good. I will use this in my real projects with all the CRUD operations, making models, the MVC architecture, everything, and I will share with you what happens in a real project. That's it for this video. I tried with Codex, but turns out Codex cannot be integrated, so now GitHub Copilot is successfully integrated, and I will share my update. And make sure to be connected with me along my journey. I will be sharing this kind of videos, especially if you have used this before. I would love to hear what your opinion is about this in the comments, so make sure to comment. I'd love to hear your experience. See you in the next one.